What's up, guys? It is Tuesday here in the Philippines. You know what? It's been exactly a year. I think it was yesterday or today. Depends on who you ask or where you look. It's been a year since they locked everything down here in the Philippines. And I was just listening on the news, and they were saying the cases are rising again. And then they were saying, are they going to lock the Philippines down again? I personally cannot see it happening. The Philippines is hurting so as it is, and to lock it down again, I just can't see it happening. Anyways, today, guys, another one bites the dust. What do I mean by that? Let me take a walk here. I'll show you what I mean. I'm up here. I gotta head over to that little store right over there to pick up honey. I'm almost out of honey. I gotta pick up some honey. Well, yeah, another one bites the dust. The people always ask me about, well, they've been asking, what about the hotels? I'd done a video a couple of months ago about hotels, what hotels are open, what hotels are closed. But you know what? An iconic hotel here is for sale. Look at that, guys. Still working on that. It's slowly coming along. You can see they got the windows going on in that right now. They're working their way down through here. From what I was told, it was going to be a mall. Time will tell. When it opens, we shall know, right? Touch of class. They are open. Yeah, an iconic hotel. Sad to say, it is for sale. Or for lease. Here it is, guys. The American Hotel. I mean, look at it. It's the biggest, most colorful hotel in the area. Hotel America. Is it Hotel America or American Hotel? Let me look. It says Hotel America. But yes, this hotel is for lease. They got the parking lot all roped off. You know what? I was in here. It's one of the hotels I stayed at. Morning.
Morning.
When I first started exploring around, and it was cheap. I mean, it was cheap to stay at the hotel. It was fairly nice. You know what though? When I first came in here, hang on, let me stand over here. When I first stayed at the Hotel America or American Hotel, I ate downstairs. Lit and I went downstairs and we ate. I didn't have an apartment at the time. Like I said, this is when I first started coming over here and exploring around. I stayed here, and we were sitting in the restaurant, and it was darkly lit. Darkly lit, is that a word? It was dark, barely lit, dim lighting. You know what I mean? And out of the corner of my eye, I caught this rat run across the freaking floor. I'm like, but since then, they redid it. Now, that was 5 years, 6 years, 7 years ago. But since then, they redid the downstairs restaurant area, made it a really nice buffet. They have a swimming pool that was inside. It was like in the center of the, the hotel area where you stay. And what was nice about that was, didn't get much sun, so if it was very hot out, man, that pool was nice and cold. But yeah, like I said, they redid it, and they had a nice buffet in there. They put some money into it. It's a shame, but there's where the buffet was located in there. I mean, you can't, Hotel America, there it is. You can't miss it. It is the most colorful building in Angeles City. What's going to happen? Who knows? The thing is, it's not a real fancy hotel. It's not one of the. Let me walk this way. We'll shoot up the other street. It's not a modern. It's not one of your big fancier, newer hotels. The rooms did need. I mean, they were rooms. A bed with air conditioning and TV. They weren't the biggest, most fanciest rooms, but it was a place to lay your head at night, right? But we'll see what happens. And it was perfectly located. You know, within 5 minutes you were down the Walking Street area and all the other restaurants that are down through there. Perfectly located. But yeah, it's a shame. It's a shame. This is newly paved road within the past couple years or so. Let me, I don't want to go down that way. We'll stroll down through this way. Need some cleaning up through here, huh? A lot of ground decoration through here. Morning. Oh yeah. I'll probably just gonna walk around this little area for the day. For the morning. This is the back side. There it is. I remember when they painted that a few years back, and one or two things. It's either bad paint or just the sun and the weather here fades it out like that. A little smoke and fire going, a little smoke going on here. Yeah. I don't know if it's going to rain today or what it's going to do. Guess we'll see what happens, right? With the weather. Guys, we got a trip coming up here next week. I am not going to tell you quite yet where we're going, but you guys stay tuned for that. We're going to have a good time. Right now I'm making sure everything is a go. Oh, no thank you. No thank you.
Hello, mic check.
Hello, mic check.
I see your...
My YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Oh, all right. I can be on YouTube, man.
Yeah.
You want to shout out?
Yeah.
Any shout out to anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir. All right, cool.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, right now I'm making sure everything is a go. I'm double checking, triple checking, quadruple checking with people. Morning. Double checking, triple checking, quadruple checking to make sure everything's a go, because you still, some places still require swab testing and all the other fun, enjoyable things. And I said I will not do that, but I will travel if we are allowed, and I don't have to do all that crazy testing. So far, from what I'm hearing, I can travel, or we can travel to where we want to go without the crazy nose stick thing going on. You know what I mean? Let's shoot down through here. I think some of these hotels are open back in here. You got the Sun Moon. There's so many little hotels just tucked all over in here. Yeah, I don't know which is open, which is closed. Sun Moon Hotel. Some of them just are restaurants, might be open, and but the hotel itself is still closed. Let's see, Garden View Hotel. I'm going to turn left here. That appears to be closed. Maxie's Place. I heard about that place. Heard they got good food in there. Garden View Hotel is closed. That's the front entrance, and that's all blocked off. One on the left is Prime City. That's Prime City. They have a security guard there. They are, I don't know, let me ask the security guard. He'll know. What's up, buddy? Well, is Prime City open? Still closed. Still closed. Okay. All right. Thank you. Good morning. So Prime City is still closed. They got their fencing up. It's a shame. Yeah, they couldn't afford to lock the Philippines back down. Snow, I mean, it would just completely destroy this country. That's ABC Hotel up over there. They are open. They've been open. All right. All right, guys, I am back out on this road that takes you down towards Hensonville. Tiger Hotel is closed. That's another one that's closed here. You can see it all fenced off. We'll walk up this way. Morning. Nah.
What's up there?
Reno Cafe. I did a live stream from up there. Just gonna, I'll walk down through here and walk down the other road. They're looking for recyclables. See, you grab some plastic. You know, that's what's good. You know, you gotta admire the kids like that. I mean, they are kids. They're not walking around sticking their hand out. You know, they're, sad to say, they're going through the garbage and taking out recyclables to make a few pesos for themselves or their family. So I respect them that do that. We have a couple kids that come around once a month or so, and we save up all our cardboard, and we will give them our cardboard, and they take it and they exchange it or turn it in or whatever they do, and get a few pesos. So if you're living here, save up your cardboard, or if you're living anywhere here in the Philippines for that matter, save your cardboard, your plastics and stuff like that. There is somebody in your area that will come by and pick it up, and they can take that and get a few pesos for their family. It's one way of helping out. Here's a terminal. I'm going to go to the left because that's where I came from. Get my honey. The honey that I came here for. It's warming up, guys. Summertime, I think, is here. I do know, all I know, it is getting hot and humid out. Now, Eurotel is open. I know that. This Eurotel here is open. Devra Hotel is open. I see people going in. So it almost appears to be the hotels here that are on the main road. Your back hotels and side road hotels, they're closed. Here we are back at Hercules. Hercules, the new resto bar that's coming in. They're busy working away there. I'm gonna get that open. Angel's Bakery, looks like they're remodeling the front area. I haven't eaten at Angel's in a while. All right, let's get me some honey. All right, guys, so here's where I usually get my honey. It's right beside my barber shop. This was a tiny little stall at one time, but they expanded, and they get a lot of traffic that comes in here. But they've got the best honey. Let me show you around here a little bit. They got their fruits. Hello. I got fruits. I got vegetables, other things you need. Honey. Where's the honey? Where's the honey? Trying to find the honey. Is that the honey? Is that the honey you always get?
Yes, sir.
It looks different. Did they put a label on it? Maybe they put a label on it, huh?
Yes.
Used to be empty, but they got the best honey here. What kind of?
100, sir.
100. Where's the honey come from?
Baguio, sir.
That's it. That's it. They must have put a different label on it now. All right, I'll take one honey. One honey, cool. Yeah, they got the best honey here. The honey I got here one time was so thick; it had so much wax in it. It was good. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up once again. There it is, Hotel America. Another one place that does is for sale if you got the money, or lease, I guess lease. Where the sugar came from, guys. Thought I'd point that out to you. For lease. It's sad to see things like this, but you know, things are slowly picking up after a year now. I can see it in the city. They're allowing traveling now with certain restrictions depending on where you go. So things are slowly opening up, and for them to shut it down, like I heard on the news this morning, you know, it's just talk. It's just talk. All it is talk. Hang in there. Those that want to get here, you'll get here. You guys will get here. It's a waiting game now, a waiting game. So anyways, with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other, the sick, the elderly, the young, your pets. Take care of your pets. Talk to you later.